area by traveling to the west. If you are in this protest group, you must leave this west now. Failure to adhere to this order may subject you to arrest or citation. You also may be subject to the use of crowd control agents, including but not limited to tear gas and impact weapons.
You can squeeze by me, cop. Oh, camcorders. Focusing properly on this. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to try to angle down. It looks like they're allowing traffic to get through over here on the right, so I'm leaving my camcorder going. Thought they were throwing someone in the car here, so not sure what's going on. No, it looks like they sort of got it cut off over here. I think they did kettle. I'm gonna just pull into a spot and park right here. Go around. Get a shot here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this around. Oops. This way you guys can see what's going on. No, of course I flipped it around.
And then cut down the market and then go down. I can't imagine why we'd ever show up for that. Wait, so you mean you guys kill people and nobody says anything? Get out of here. Get out of here. Last time I did it, I made mistakes. I left my window down on my phone and hey Chris, I wonder how many of them are Q-phones. Yeah, but I was trying to be quick. I would say at least 7 out of 5 on a step, and then as I came around the block, I walked down the block and started behind my car. And I don't want any of you to making arrests. I don't know. So then I walked up to him and I was like, why are you fucking with somebody in the car? Because our windows done does not give you the right of way to open up the car. That is great. Yeah, it's still great. It's still entering a vehicle without permission. He's like, what does it matter to you? What does it matter to you? Make arrests. Because you're not being lost. It's a car you do nothing to do.
Maybe those days will come back with the bar open. I'm not sure. So anyway, shouldn't be breaking any traffic laws or anything like that since I'm literally actually on street parking where I'm sitting at. No, this is Smashkey Park or something like that. I'm over by Southwest Madison. I'm not sure what the cross street is.
The speaker's almost busted anyway. You can tell by the way they talk on it. That's so awesome. I gotta check my phone.
It's a citation. So it's citation.
You never know your mom. Shut up.
You can get a citation in lieu of arrest. You're not going to get processed. But
Are
you
you gonna shut up and get on the sidewalk?
There we go. Looks like they're pulling back for right now. Thanks for the follow. Okay, so they're driving off now.